The world woke to an enigma, a bridge materializing overnight in the middle of the vast Atlantic Ocean. Its pillars, seemingly carved from obsidian, disappeared into the swirling mist below. No explanation, no claims of responsibility, just a silent, colossal structure piercing the horizon. The world held its breath. Speculation ran rampant. Governments convened emergency meetings. Was it a marvel of engineering, an alien artifact, or something far more sinister? The bridge, a silent sentinel, offered no answers, only deepening the mystery. The ocean, usually a canvas of sapphire and turquoise, was now a mirror of steel grey. A thick fog, unnatural and still, had descended upon the area around the bridge. It clung to the structure, obscuring its further reaches and swallowing everything that dared to venture too close. The silence was eerie. The rhythmic crash of waves against the shore, the cries of gulls overhead, all silenced. It was as if the ocean itself was holding its breath, watching, waiting for the bridge to reveal its secrets. The world, consumed by curiosity and fear, demanded answers. Theories ranging from the plausible to the absurd flooded every media outlet. Was it a bridge to another dimension, a time portal, a message from a long-lost civilization, or a harbinger of something more ominous? The scientific community, both intrigued and baffled, mobilized resources. Expeditions were planned, drones were prepped. The world watched, holding its breath, as humanity prepared to confront the unknown. The first mission was a reconnaissance flyover. 2 drones, equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technology, were launched towards the bridge. The world watched, their hopes and fears projected onto the flickering screens broadcasting the drones' feeds. The drones, hummingbirds against the vastness of the ocean, approached the bridge. They danced around the fog, their cameras capturing every detail of the enigmatic structure. Then, one by one, they entered the fog bank, their signals swallowed by the dense white silence. Section 5 lost signals. Minutes stretched into an eternity. The screens in the control room, once alive with data and imagery, were now blank, punctuated only by the static hiss of lost signals. The silence was deafening, a heavy weight pressing down on everyone present. Hope, once a flickering flame, began to dwindle. The unknown had claimed its first victims. The bridge, it seemed, was not just a mystery, but a threat, a silent predator, cloaked in fog, guarding its secrets fiercely. This Section 6, a glimmer of hope. Just as despair threatened to engulf the control room, a flicker. The atmosphere was thick with tension, every face etched with worry and uncertainty. The mission had been fraught with challenges, and this moment felt like the culmination of all their fears. The room was dimly lit, the only sources of light being the various screens and control panels that now seemed to mock their efforts with their static displays. One of the screens, previously awash in static, flickered back to life. It was a small, almost imperceptible change at first, but it caught the eye of one of the technicians. He leaned in closer, his breath held, as the static began to clear, revealing a distorted but recognizable image. The bridge, shrouded in fog, began to take shape on the screen. The signal, weak but undeniable, brought a collective gasp from the room. It was as if a lifeline had been thrown to them in their darkest hour. The room, which had been filled with the oppressive silence of despair, suddenly buzzed with a renewed sense of purpose. People exchanged glances, their eyes wide with a mixture of disbelief and hope. It was the second drone. It was returning. This drone had been sent out hours earlier, its mission to gather crucial data about the mysterious bridge. Its return was not just a technical success, it was a symbol of their perseverance and determination. The drone's journey had been perilous, navigating through treacherous weather and unknown territories. The relief was palpable, a shared breath exhaled. The tension that had gripped the room began to ease, replaced by a cautious optimism. For the first time in what felt like an eternity, there was a glimmer of hope. The team members, who had been working tirelessly, finally allowed themselves a moment of respite. It was a beacon of hope in the face of the unknown. The image on the screen, though still partially obscured by fog, was a testament to their efforts. It was a sign that they were on the right path, that their hard work was beginning to pay off. The bridge, once a symbol of mystery and danger, now held the promise of discovery and understanding. The drone, its camera lens offering a single eye into the heart of the mystery, held the key to unlocking the secrets of the bridge. As the footage played, revealing glimpses of a hidden landscape, the team knew that this was just the beginning. The journey ahead would be challenging, but they were no longer in the dark. They had a direction, a purpose, and most importantly, a glimmer of hope. Section 7: The Messenger returns. The drone, battered and its signal unstable, limped back to base. It had been on a mission fraught with peril, navigating through uncharted territories and facing countless challenges. The journey had taken its toll, evident in the drone's flickering lights and damaged exterior. It landed with a dull thud, a testament to its harrowing journey into the heart of the unknown. The ground crew rushed to its side, their faces a mix of relief and concern. They knew the importance of the data it carried and the risks it had taken to retrieve it. The data it carried, however, was priceless. Scientists and engineers gathered around, eager to uncover the secrets it held. They worked meticulously, extracting every bit of information, knowing that each piece could be a key to understanding what lay beyond. It had seen what lay beyond the fog. The drone's journey had taken it through dense mists and obscured landscapes, revealing glimpses of a world that had been hidden from view. The images it captured were both awe-inspiring and terrifying, a blend of beauty and danger. It had glimpsed the future. The drone's cameras had captured scenes of advanced technology and futuristic landscapes, a world that seemed both familiar and alien. The possibilities were endless and the implications profound. The world held its breath. News of the drone's return had spread quickly, and people everywhere were eager to see what it had discovered. Crowds gathered around screens, their faces filled with anticipation and hope. The footage retrieved from the drone's memory was about to be revealed. Scientists and engineers worked tirelessly, piecing together the images and data, preparing to share their findings with the world. The atmosphere was charged with excitement, a sense of history in the making. The anticipation was electric, a palpable hum that resonated across the globe. People from all walks of life, from different corners of the world, were united in their curiosity and excitement. They knew that what they were about to see could change everything. The future, it seemed, had sent a message. The drone's journey, its trials and triumphs, had brought back a glimpse of what could be. As the first images appeared on the screens, a collective gasp echoed around the world. The message was clear: the future was here, and it was time to embrace it. Section 8: Decoding the Future. The footage, grainy and distorted, flickered on the screen. It showed the bridge, stretching endlessly into a horizon unlike any ever seen. The sky above was a swirling kaleidoscope of colors, the air alive with strange, beautiful lights. Then the drone's camera tilted downwards, revealing a breathtaking vista. A city, but not just any city. This was a metropolis unlike any ever imagined, a symphony of glass and light, of impossible architecture and advanced technology. Section 9: Echoes of Tomorrow. The world watched in stunned silence as the drone footage played on, showcasing a future both wondrous and terrifying. The city, with its towering skyscrapers and intricate network of flying vehicles, seemed like a scene straight out of a science fiction novel, yet it was real, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless march of technology. Flying vehicles zipped through the air, weaving seamlessly between the towering structures. These were not just cars, but marvels of engineering, capable of navigating the complex urban landscape with ease. The sky was a dance of lights and motion, a ballet of technology that left onlookers in awe. Holographic projections lit up the cityscape, casting vibrant colors and dynamic images onto every surface. Advertisements, news, and art blended into a mesmerizing display that captivated the senses. The city was alive with information, a digital symphony that played out in real time. And strange humanoid figures moved with an otherworldly grace. These were not mere robots, but advanced beings designed to interact seamlessly with their human counterparts. Their movements were fluid, almost poetic, as they went about their tasks with precision and efficiency. The line between human and machine had blurred, creating a society where both coexisted in harmony. The bridge, it seemed, was not a bridge to another place, but another time. It stood as a symbol of progress, connecting the past with the future. As the sun set and the city lights began to twinkle, the bridge transformed into a beacon of hope and possibility. It was a reminder that the future was not a distant dream, but a reality within our grasp. A glimpse into a future both alluring and unknown. The implications were staggering, the questions endless. Was this our future? A world where technology had reached its zenith, where humanity had transcended its limitations? Or was it a cautionary tale, a vision of what could go wrong if we lost sight of our humanity in the pursuit of progress? Or a warning from a timeline gone astray? The shadows of doubt and fear loomed large, casting a pall over the bright lights and futuristic marvels. The city, for all its advancements, seemed to hold a dark secret, a reminder that progress often comes at a cost. The worried faces of the onlookers reflected the uncertainty of a future that was both promising and perilous. The bridge, once a silent mystery, now echoed with the whispers of tomorrow. It stood as a testament to the choices we make today, choices that will shape the world of tomorrow. As the fog rolled in and the lights dimmed, the bridge became a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that the future is a journey we must all undertake, with hope, caution, and a sense of wonder.